y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks for tuning in. As you can see in the title, today I will be reviewing a wig from AISI Beauty Hair Company, which is an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Now we're going up, hop about the whip and do the that, now we're going up.
So the hair came in this packaging, and it was also inside an Amazon Prime box, so it wasn't just this. So yeah, they have their name on here, AISI Hair. The back is see-through. I think this is a picture of a lady. Yeah. So let's open it. I already opened it off camera, like when I first got it, which was a few days ago. Oh, this hair was sent to me, but I will be giving my honest opinion review on the wig, just to add it in there. So along with the wig, you get a wig cap. Here's the color. I think it's a decent color. I mean, of course I would have to add foundation or something, but yeah. A pair of eyelashes, which come with like almost all Amazon hair. And then you also get a card. Upside down, you see they have their name and details on the back. I would read them, but yeah. So yeah, on the card it says, of course, Amazon and AISI Hair. If I said AISI Beauty, I think it says that online. Well, it says it on here, which is, I believe that's where I got the faux locks from, because this came from the same hair company. So on the card, of course, it has Amazon, because it's an Amazon hair company, and it have AISI Hair on here. And on the inside, it just give instructions on how to wear and how to wash. So yes, this is a synthetic wig, but you still can wash the wig. And I believe you can also apply a certain amount of heat. I believe so. It's not on here, but usually if the setting is very low, you can apply heat. I'm just interested with that. So last but not least is the wig. Okay, so sorry y'all, I'm bad, my camera cut off. But yeah, when they sent the picture of the wig, like when I was choosing the wigs, I think majority of them were burgundy, I can't remember. But anyways, the wig, I mean, I don't know how it's picking up on camera. It may look burgundy to y'all, but to me, it kind of looks red orange. Like, okay, my hair is burgundy. Would you say this is the same color as my hair? No. Well, yeah, that's my sister, by the way. It's a 30-inch wig. I forgot to read it. It's a long, straight synthetic wig with bangs. The color is wine red. It is heat resistant. So yeah. Okay, red wine. I don't really know how red. Well, you know what? You think this look like red wine? How it looks. So the bangs. And again, 30 inches. I'm gonna grab a brush so you guys can see. It is very soft. I can't say for a synthetic wig. They do have the 2 clips in the front and 1 in the back, and also the adjustable strap for if you want to tighten it, and of course the tag. So yeah, I mean, pretty decent. 2 here and 1 in the back, and this is the adjustable strap I was referring to, and you hook them together, whatever. And let me show you guys how the parts look. Even though it's a bang, you do have a middle part. This is the color of the scalp, and that's nothing behind it. Now watch when I put my hand there. You're not gonna be able to see my hand. My hand is behind here. So yeah, I don't think you would need the cap, because I mean, this is the color of the scalp. I mean, it's on top of your head. You can't see it like when it's on, unless you're sitting down, someone just looking at your head. So I just had to come on and say that I originally wasn't going to try on the wig, because I had just done my hair and I just came from out of town, but I decided to try it on. after this work by putting my faux locks in a ponytail with the wig cap. And the wig wasn't hard to put on, it was just hard because of my faux locks. So yeah, and don't forget to look in the description box for all details. And again, thanks for watching. Okay, so my sister just helped me put the wig on. I don't know if I want to show that part, because you know I have these faux locks, and I put it in a ponytail and then put a wig cap on, and we put it on. I mean, the back, my faux locks are still out. But okay, for this wig to be $17.99, if I'm incorrect, I will put it up on the screen. I will also put everything in the description box, the link to the wig and everything. I actually don't think it looks that bad. Personally, the color, it's not for me. I also put the wig on my sister. I will let her, I'll talk with her to see if she okay with me including that part, so you guys can see how it looks on her as well. For the most part, the wig, for the price, I like it. It does shed and get tangled. I mean, I think if you wear synthetic wigs, I mean, you would expect that. But I would wear, say if you was doing a photo shoot and you wanted some red hair with bangs, I would say just purchase this for the photo shoot, something temporary. For it to be a synthetic wig and under $20, yes, hey, it's a look. It's not an everyday wig, but in times of emergencies and photo shoots, something temporary, I think it's pretty cool. So again, everything will be linked in the description box. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the red button. Please help me get to 300. And again, make sure you look for all details in the description box, and thank you for watching.